On the 6th of April 2016, the government introduced new legislation which imposed restrictions on an umbrella worker's ability to get tax relief on their travel and subsistence costs. The restrictions mean that unless it can be shown that an umbrella worker is not under the supervision, direction or control of either the client, the agency or the umbrella company in the way they carry out their work, they're no longer able to claim tax relief on their travel and subsistence expenses. If you've never claimed tax relief on your travel and subsistence expenses before, or you fall outside of IR35 and are working through a personal service company, then the good news is nothing changes. However, for those that are working through an umbrella company and have claimed tax relief on travel and subsistence expenses, it means that unless you can prove that supervision, direction or control doesn't apply to you, you'll no longer be able to do so. Understanding your SDC status can be quite tricky, so this video is here to give you a little more clarity on what SDC is. So let's start with supervision. Do you have someone overseeing you doing your work to ensure that you're doing the work that you're required to do? This includes someone helping you to develop your skills and knowledge correctly. If so, then the chances are you cannot claim tax relief on travel and subsistence expenses. Next is direction. Do you have someone who makes you do work in a certain way by providing you with instructions, guidance or advice? You'll often find that the same someone who is providing direction will often coordinate how the work is done as it's being undertaken. If so, then the chances are you cannot claim tax relief on travel and subsistence expenses. Finally, we have control. Do you have someone who dictates what work you do and how you go about doing that work? Or do you have someone who has the power to move you from one job to another? If so, then the chances are you cannot claim tax relief on travel and subsistence expenses. We appreciate that it's not always possible to provide a clear yes or no with regards to these questions, and more information will be necessary in order to truly determine your SDC status. This is why PayStream will carry out a thorough assessment of your individual circumstance before advising you on your SDC status. We're able to do this because we have a range of umbrella services available, so regardless of your SDC status, we'll have an option that's right for you and the way you work. And what's more, all of our umbrella service options mean that you can continue to enjoy all the benefits of continuous employment with all the advantages of being a contractor. Another reason why you can count on PayStream. For more information, please contact our new business team on 0800 197 6516 or email info@paystream.co.uk.